Heiser. Open settings. Security and privacy. More security settings. Install from device. Storage. Okay, CA certificate. CA certificates are used by websites, apps, and VPN for encryption. Only install CA certificates from organizations you trust. If you install a certificate, the certificate holder will be able to access your information such as passwords, message, or credit card details for messages you visit or apps use, even if that information is encrypted. Again, don't install and install anyway. VPN and app uses certificate. Internal storage, no files. Please like and subscribe.